This is project 1 for the Harvard cs50W online class, Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, delivered via EDX. I call this the book club, and this is a walkthrough of the functionality of the book club. Like every good website, let's start with registration. Here you see the home main menu. So we'll go to registration. We'll enter a user, a password, and I've added an email address. And you can see that Jack successfully logged in. So we go back to the main menu and well, just for the fun of it, let's try and register Jack again. Put in the same credentials. And it says you're already registered. So we go back to the main menu and then we'll log in. So Jack's going to log in now. And he's successfully logged in, and that takes him to the search page. Now I'm going to log him out. And this time I'm going to go back to the home page and log in, have Jack log in again. And he gets a message, well, you're already logged in. So from there, we just want to go over to the database. So this is PostgreSQL. I've already logged in as a user, and I'm in the database project 1. So here's the tables that are in project 1, and there's a lot of books in here, so I'm going to limit it to 10. Oops. Alright, so you can see that the books database is loaded. So now we're in search. The user has to be logged in. So I'm going to log Jack out again. Go back home. This time try and go directly to search without being logged in, and it asks for Jack to log in again. He logs in, back to the search page. Here's some searches that can be done. First, I'll put an ISBN number in, and you can see in the list of books, there's just the one with that ISBN number. I'm going to go back home, go back to search. This time I'll put in a partial number in the ISBN, and we'll see what kind of books have those numbers. So here we have a list of 6 books that have the 3700 in the ISBN. Go back to home again. Now this time I'm going to go to, in the title, I'm going to put Doyle and do a search. And there's no book with a Doyle in the title. However, if I put Doyle in the author section, you can see that there's 5 books that have Doyle. Going back, and then I'm just going to put a partial in here. Instead of Doyle, just OYL. And you can see that there's a little bit bigger list. Now I'm going to search again, this time with a combination. So I'm going to put under author Isaac, and for year 195, which would correspond to all the years in the 50s. And we can see that Isaac Asimov has a bunch of books. Now I'm going to select one of these, iRobot, and go look at it. It just takes a minute here. Okay, we're back, and you can see that for iRobot we have the ISBN number, the author's Isaac Asimov, and the year's 1950, and we can see that Anne put in a comment and gave it a rating of 4. So we also go out to the Goodread website and get a rating, and Goodread gives this a 4.18 rating. Now Jack has read this book, and he thinks it's fantastic. So his comment is, this is a fantastic book. And we'll save his comment and review. And here's the results. Now you can see Anne's comment and rating and Jack's comment and rating. We can go back home and log out, and ready for the next user. I'd just like to briefly talk about some of the technologies here. This website uses Flask, which is a micro framework for Python to develop websites. It uses routes in the application .py, which is a Python file, and it uses in which there's routes are defined. So here we have application.py. And there's a default route, sign up route, login route, menu route, search route, a book route, and then a go search route. It also uses Jinja templates. So here we have the layout, which is the base template, and all of the other files use Jinja to leverage off of that base template. So there's HTML files for index, menu, sign up, form, login, search, which is the search criteria, list selections, which is the list of books from that search criteria, and then book gives you the information about the book from the database, from Goodread, and as well as any user comments and ratings. And then it also allows you to add another comment. So I hope you enjoyed that. There's on the back end we have Postgres. It also uses the Flask Alchemy database tool, which is a Python package. Uses I don't know how to pronounce this, project1, which is another Python package. It's a database adapter for Postgres. And that's about it. Thanks.